This lesson we're going to be looking at using the area of a rectangle to find out the length or the width, whichever one is not being given to you. Can you copy the title, the grade, and also put today's date into your book? Make sure you've underlined your title with a ruler. When you've done that, first thing I need you to do is to copy this rectangle into your books. Make sure you're doing this with a pencil and ruler. Ask if you need to borrow some equipment. Can you also put inside the rectangle this time that this is 50 centimetres squared? So here I am giving you what the area is. And at the top of this rectangle is 10 centimetres. So what we are looking for here is this missing side. We are still going to use the exact same formula that we did last lesson. So we are still using area is equal to length times width. I'm just going to use the shortened version like we did yesterday to speed up having to write the formula. What we do for this one though is slightly different. Because we are given the area, I put that the area is 50 equals, I know one of the sides, so let's say that the length is 10, times, I don't know what the width is, hence why it's got a question mark. So I'm going to put a little question mark. At this point what we need to do is to find out what I times 10 by to make 50. If you can't see this straight away and you don't think it's obvious, the process that you need to do is if you take the area and again do the opposite of times to find out the width and do divided by 10. 50 divided by 10 is equal to 5, and because we are looking for a length, so just how long that line is, that would be 5 centimetres. Second example we've got here of the exact same thing. Can you get this copied into your exercise book please, using a pencil and a ruler? Again, it doesn't have to be accurate size, but can you make sure you've put 12 centimetres squared inside this one, 3 centimetres here, and the question mark up at the top. Again, we use the exact same formula, so area equals L times W. In order to use this, we do the same as before. Because I've been given the area, I'm going to replace the word area with 12. It doesn't matter which way around you want to call it, so I'm going to say that the length is 3, and I don't know what the width is. So this one I'm actually going to replace with a little question mark, because that's what is used in the diagram. You might know straight away what you times 3 by to make 12. If you're unsure, you can do the opposite and work in reverse and do 12 divided by 3 equals, and in this case it is 4, and again because I'm finding the length of a side, it would be 4 centimetres. This is going to be the same steps that you need to do for every question this lesson. So what I would like you to see you do for the worksheet that Sir is going to give you is to copy a quick little diagram using pencil and ruler of the shape given, write down the information that you're given and obviously which side you're looking for, and then write the formula, your working, and then the little calculation at the end that you would need to find your answer, and don't forget to put your units. Just remember, if this had been kilometres, the answer would also be kilometres. If it had been metres, the answer would have been metres, and so on. So whatever one of the sides is, your final answer will be the exact same unit.